Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Jaguar XE.
The Jaguar XE is built to exceed all expectations of a compact luxury sports sedan. The XE combines technology and performance that meet the high level of excellence you come to expect from Jaguar. Its sleek exterior is sure to turn some heads.
This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, rain sensing wipers, integrated turn signal mirrors, rear wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance. Come take a test drive today.